Hello there, little friends. Are you ready to meet some amazing animals today? Great! Let's start our adventure. Our first animal friend is the king of the jungle, the mighty lion. Lions are big and strong, and they have beautiful manes. They live in Africa and love to take long naps in the sun. Now, let's meet a furry friend. This is a cat. Cats come in all sorts of colors and sizes. They like to purr, play with strings, and sometimes, they even chase their tails. Cats make lovely pets. Woof, woof. Here's our next friend, the dog. Dogs are loyal and loving. They come in many shapes and sizes too, like big ones and tiny ones. They wag their tails when they're happy, and they love to fetch sticks.